Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, today we have a speaking test with two zoo animals. Are you ready?
Yes,
Tell me what's your name?
my name is Phương Thảo.
How are you today, Thảo?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Hưng Yên.
Yeah, tell me what colors you like.
I like yellow.
And what toys you like.
I like teddy bear.
Yeah, what animals you like.
I like giraffe.
Yeah, and my son, tell me what shapes you like.
I like hearts.
Yeah, heart. And look explain part one zoo animals. Tell me what is it?
It's an elephant.
And what color the elephant?
It is gray.
And how many elephants are there?
There are one
There
elephant.
is.
There is one elephant.
Yeah, how many elephants are there?
There are 4 elephants.
Yeah, nice one. And what do you see? Nice.
I see a monkey.
A monkey. And what color the monkey?
It is brown.
And how many monkeys are there?
There
There.
is monkey.
There is one.
There is one monkey.
Yeah, how many monkeys are there?
There are 9 monkeys.
Yeah, nice one. And tell me what is it?
It's a zebra.
And what color the zebra?
It is black and white.
Yeah, and how many zebras are there?
There are 13.
There are
There 15 zebras.
zebras. And what is it?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. And what is it?
It's
It's a.
a lion.
And what is it?
It's a camel.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a tiger.
And what is it?
It's a rhino.
Yeah, what do you see?
I see a kangaroo.
What do you see?
I see a hippo.
What color the hippo?
It is black. It is blue.
No, it is gray. Yeah, and what is it?
It's a gorilla.
How many gorillas?
There are 11 gorillas.
Yeah, nice one. And what is it?
It's a panda.
And how many pandas are there?
There are 13.
There are.
There are 12 panda.
Good job. And what do you see?
I see an octopus.
Yeah, nice one. What is it?
It's a snake.
What color the snake?
It is
It is the.
gray.
It is
It
green.
green.
Yeah, and what is it?
It's so hot.
And what do you see?
I see a
Parrot.
parrot.
And nice one. How many snakes are there?
There are 14 snakes.
Yeah, nice one. How many parrots?
There are 10 parrots.
Yeah, nice one. Part two numbers. Tell me what number is it?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, nice one. Now learn sounds. Tell me what letter is it?
Z.
G is for.
Grass.
And how about this one?
Girl.
Next one. What letter is it?
A.
It is for.
Hot dog.
How about this one?
Hamster.
Yeah, nice one. What letter is it?
I.
I is for.
In.
And
Water.
what letter is it?
J.
J is for.
Rickshaw.
And how about this one?
Jewel.
Yeah, nice one. What letter is it?
K.
K is for.
King.
And
K.
yeah, nice one. What letter is it?
L.
L is for.
Lecture.
And nice one.
Fish.
Okay, thank you. Come and say goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.